Welcome everyone. Welcome Dipendra Dopadhyay. Welcome Bateshwar Prasad. Welcome Roast Alone.
Thank you.
Preach,
Thank you.
preach
Thank you.
everyone.
Preach.
जी
Preach,
प्रेज
preach. Uh,
प्रेज
preach. Uh,
प्रेज
there is a technical difficult.
प्रेज
Is my camera back
हो
on?
गया भाई हो गया
देखिए you can never have enough of प्रेज just saying
Hmm.
प्रेज
Preach, Bateshwar Prasad. Welcome back. I'm seeing you after 2 weeks. Dipendra Upadhyay is new. He's a new expert, and Parej, and we've got an international celebrity with us. Roast, roast alone, guys.
Yes sir.
He's also a streamer, if I'm not wrong. Roast alone. Big fan, sir. Big
I
fan.
am.
Yo.
Thanks. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yep. Um. So, guys.
जी Magsman, can I have a question first? It is not related to our topic.
Of course.
I just want to ask Mr. Dipendra Upadhyaya. I just want to ask Mr. Dipendra Upadhyaya if he was the streamer who got banned from Twitch recently.
No,
He
sir.
has an emote named after him. I think it is called Forsen CD. It is the same streamer, no?
नहीं सर, आप मुझे किसी और से कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं शायद.
Are you sure you are not Dr. Misrespect?
नहीं सर, मिसरिस्पेक्ट कौन है?
Sorry, Preach.
Preach.
Rich.
Preach. We are also gonna. We are also expecting another expert to join in soon. He apparently also got kidnapped. He keeps getting kidnapped. I don't know what is this, but the police is behind him. We've sent Daya and everyone, the best of our officers, to get them. So
Is it Mumbai police?
I'm not gonna comment on that. Rich.
Sorry, true. You should not. My bad.
Mm.
Yeah, Daya, Abhishek, the best cops have gone behind them.
Yes,
That guy also.
agree.
Uh,
Yes. So can I start?
Abhijit.
Can I start this? Can I start this debate by saying just chatting has always been superior?
True, I agree. Bateshwar
That's
Prasad.
something we both agree on.
That
Yes,
is true.
I think everyone here agrees. Just chatting is supremacy. Just chatting supremacy. Praise.
Yes. Gaming has no place in this world. It is always just chatting.
एक बात बताइए
Wait,
लेकिन.
if all of you agree, then what is the point of this debate?
Because that is not the debate that we are having, sir.
That is
today.
not the topic, sir.
The topic today is
Excuse me?
Warzone versus Apex.
Are you sure?
I'm
It
very
is not
sure.
just chatting.
It's not just chatting. Just chatting was last week.
अबे बेंचोद किधर भेजा तू मेरे को? Apologies.
Sir, I will ask you to please be
गलत फहमी.
yes, please.
ऐसे अपशब्दों का प्रयोग ना करें.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I was my agent told me there were only going to be professionals here. This doesn't seem like very professional
He's a
behavior.
politician. Everything
Exactly.
is okay, but sir, please.
Apex क्या है?
No, it's fine. He's great.
He's
You
a
can carry on.
politician. We have to. Money.
Host Sahab, Mr. Madsman,
Yes.
is it possible that I send my my brother's second son to this news? I think he
Anything.
plays all these games. He's He's a kid.
Anything, sir. Anything works. Anything works with you, sir. You politician,
Okay.
money.
Okay.
Yes, money. Yes.
Gee, check under your table.
It's
You'll find your own dick. Grab it. I'm not giving you money. I'll send my brother's second son. BRB is what your gamers say. So BRB. Prej.
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 कैसे बदतमीज व्यक्ति हैं ये? कहाँ से लाए हैं आप इन्हें?
Oh, मिल गए थे रास्ते में. We have to.
लग रहा है वही लग रहा
पूरा
है.
पारिवारिक माहौल बना है, यहाँ पे डिबेट चल रहा है और यहाँ पे कैसे अपशब्दों का प्रयोग किए जा रहे हैं?
It's okay. Prej. We will all prej and focus our channels and channel our energy to this debate. So, दीपेंद्र उपाध्याय या जी, आप कनाडा
जी।
में रहते हो?
आपने हमारे नाम का मर्डर जरूर कर दिया, बट हाँ जी, कनाडा में रहते हैं हम. वी आर लाइव
जी।
फ्रॉम एपेक्स हेड ऑफिस, फरीदाबाद, कनाडा.
एंड आज आप कौन से साइट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो? आपने बोला एपेक्स.
जी, यस सर. अब
ओके.
एपेक्स में काम करते हैं तो मतलब
Okay. And we've got Roast Alone also, who is also a big Apex streamer. He gets
Yes.
about 500k viewers generally while he streams. What?
On a bad day.
On a bad day, of course. On a bad day. So they are both big advocates of Apex.
जी माफ कीजिएगा, हमारा कैमरा थोड़ा एपेक्स सर्वर से कनेक्टेड है तो कभी भी
सुना है एपेक्स के सर्वर्स के बारे में, बट वी विल रीच देयर सून. कोटेश्वर, वेलकम. प्रेज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
Prej.
Prej.
Hello.
Hello.
You can hear me?
I can hear you very well, Koteshwar. Can you tell us about your background with Warzone?
Yes. I can tell. Yes.
Yes.
So I'm gamer. I play Warzone.
What कौन से platform
I
है?
play
What
little-
platform do you play on?
PC, of course.
Oh, okay,
PC. I mean, console it's not very good. It is full aimbot and aim assist, aim assist and E.
Okay.
So I play on PC.
Okay.
Superior platform.
Mm-hmm.
I play Warzone. Lots of Warzone.
Mm-hmm.
I play COD mobile
Mm-hmm.
on phone.
Mm-hmm. You said PC superior, but you played on mobile also. Okay.
Because I have younger brother. I have
Okay.
young brother. He come to my phone and he ask, "Vaya, what game you have?"
Mm.
So I have to play those games.
Mm. Of course.
Yes.
Do you streams, Goteshwar?
No, I only play.
Oh, you fully
Only
grind
play.
gamer.
No
Okay.
stream. Yes.
Okay. How many hours do you have in Warzone?
A lot. At least 300.
300 hours. Okay. How old are you, Goteshwar? You seem you are here with through Bateshwar, so we don't know a lot about
Yes.
you. He's your uncle, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, that is correct. He gives me free iPhone and everything.
Mhm.
I am 12 years old.
Okay. So
Average Warzone and Apex players are my age only, no? Am I wrong?
yes,
you are
average.
absolutely
Yes, average. We've got some outliers today, but yes, average. You're right.
Okay.
Mhm. So, do you know what we are doing today, Goteshwar?
Yes, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
My uncle told me some debate. I have to come and tell some points about why Warzone is better game.
Yes. So, shall we
Yes.
start?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Shall
please,
we start?
please tell me why you. Okay, post. I mean, roast
Excuse
alone.
me.
Roast.
Do not confuse me with that.
I will not confuse with you with
Yes,
that. But
that man that makes questionable music. Do not confuse
okay,
me with that.
okay, roast alone. Please tell
Yes.
me why do you like Apex? What is there to like about Apex?
Well, first of all, let me tell you one thing. For me, gaming is about being the best. You have to be the best, you have to beat the best, and you have to show something that you are the best. So for me, I grind rank. Rank is there in Apex. Warzone, rank mod check? No rank. Nothing. You play Warzone 1000 hours, 2000 hours, nothing to show for it. No rank. It's absolutely shameful. How do I flex? What do I flex? Huh? Tell me.
You bring in some good points there about ranks. You are a rank grinder. What would you say
Yes.
to this, Goteshwar?
See,
Wh-
first of all, no, this Warzone game it is similar to Apex. You know how? I'll tell you how. It is similar because both games are meant to be played casually. Okay, it is not a competitive game like what CS:GO, Valorant. That is all competitive. This is casual game, right? Warzone, Apex, PUBG, and all those games. They're all like casual game. You come home after school, you go tuition, come back home, you sit and play. That is it. Nothing more.
What
That is what you
So why
play.
why so why you
That is
want
what
rank?
that is what your experience is.
Yes,
Maybe because
that
you're
is my
bad. I
experience.
mean, yeah, maybe because you're bad. If you were a good player, you would want to
How
be
can
the
you tell that?
best.
How can you tell that
I
I'm bad? Yeah.
because
Hey, have you seen me play?
no, I hope not.
Then how you are telling?
Because the good players want to be better. What's your KD, sir? Tell me. What's your KD?
KD means?
Excuse me. I have two questions for Mr. Goteshwar here.
Yes, Dipsy, please go ahead.
Goteshwar beta, how have you done your homework for the day? Are you done with your homework?
Don't call me beta. Okay, you look 3 months older than me. Don't call me beta. Please.
Okay, dude.
I am not your beta, buddy.
Okay, Miss
दीपेंद्र
Mas
उपाध्याय जी, आपका सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? प्लीज आस्क द
हाँ
सेकंड क्वेश्चन.
हाँ जी, देखिए, आपको लगता है एपेक्स सिर्फ ग्राइंड के लिए बना है? एपेक्स में कैजुअल मोड्स नहीं है वॉरजोन की तरह? क्या आप कहना चाहते हैं एपेक्स में सिर्फ
You are
ग्राइंडर्स
talking
की?
to me?
हाँ जी,
Yes,
गुड
he's talking
मास्टर
to you.
गोटेश्वर.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I thought you were monologuing. My bad. See, I'll tell you. These game dev companies, no, they'll give you multiple play fields to start. Okay, like you want to play this game mode means you play. You want to play that game mode means you play. You have options. It's like you go to KFC. you go to KFC, right? KFC. So if you go to
KFC.
KFC, you have burger. You have bucket with legs,
Hmm.
It's very nice legs.
and you have options, variety. You have variety. That is very important. Variety.
Then where is variety in your game? Where is variety in Warzone?
Exactly.
Very good question. I have proof for this. I will give you, but not now.
Gi-
Now is not the time for it. You wait. You will get everything you want.
To
But
be
what I'm
honest,
trying
I
to say,
wouldn't want. No. I won't wait. This is the time I've been booked for. My agent said I have some time here. I won't be speaking to you again. I don't want to see you again. I don't want to talk to you again.
why?
Because you're a Warzone player.
What is wrong in being a Warzone player, sir?
Oh, sir, welcome. Who is this, Mr. Host?
This is Festa Shankar Nath. Bridge.
Bridge.
Bridge. Festa Shankar Nath, welcome to the debate about, and we know that you are a pro.
Yes. I was
Pro.
actually completing the Andheri West finals for Warzone cash grab round or something like that. I don't really care about the names. I mean, I just play, I go in, I shoot, I get headshots, and I win. So I tried Apex once, but I defeated the game in like one day. And when I say defeated, I mean defeated. So yeah, what's wrong in playing
sense.
Warzone, by the way? I just heard
No,
something.
so-
You made this little boy cry, so I don't understand why.
Well, we were having a conversation about how Apex has ranked modes for players to grind and flex and show their rank. Okay. This kid right here said variety is the most important in video games. And I asked him, where is the variety in Warzone? He said, I will not tell you now, I will tell you later.
He
All I
was
said
waiting for me to come, basically. Yeah. So the
Oh, is
variety.
it?
Let me
And
tell
then
you.
you
the
tell us,
variety.
sir. Where
You
is
tell us.
variety, sir?
Yes,
sir.
yes. There's first of all, there's multiple game modes. As I said, I don't really care about the game modes. I just drop in, I shoot. I sometimes get money if it's money involved round. I don't really care about the names, but there's, I think, 3 or 4 different types of rounds that you can play in Warzone. Now that's fine. I take that I'm not really fulfilling the information here, but the guns, there are so many different guns. There are so many different skins for that guns. There are so many different skins for your players. Did you know there's Bruce Willis in the game? That's a lot of variety, if you ask me.
True. I agree. Bruce Willis is a lot of variety. Is any
So-
counterpoint to that?
I'm Jack.
Any counterpoint
How
to
many?
that?
Yes,
How many
Depends
I-
on
guns
I
does
do.
Apex have?
I
we
do
need
have
to
a- I-
we
I
need to
do.
speak to the person who works for Apex. Dependra
Yes,
Upadhyay.
please.
Please,
Festa Shankar Nath, Mr. Festa Shankar Nath,
please.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What kind of bullets does the Warzone game have?
Digital.
Does
Because,
it-
it's not a real gun that is being shot.
Valid point, but in that also there's variety, right? Apex has laser ammo, Apex has exploding ammo. There's variety in game modes as well. There are, arenas.
I use R9 Dragon Breath. A lot of times I've used R9 Dragon Breath. It puts fire in your bullet. Very good for hiding in place. Very good.
True.
But
True,
if it
that's
puts fire
it.
in your bullet,
Dragon
then
Breath,
how is it
best,
better for
best
hiding?
ammo type Dragon Breath R9. Use it, someone comes, you kill. Full 1 second kill.
Same sound effects. I'm proud of this.
Very
man.
good for KD. Kill death. I found out.
Oh, you did. So
is your-
can you tell us what your KD is then?
I checked my statistics
Mhm.
and it seems like my KD is around 4.7.
That's impressive.
It is very high.
That is really nice.
Very good KD. Super good KD.
Okay. Not bad.
I
Festa
checked
Shankar Nath,
website.
what is your KD?
Warzone.gg website.
As I said, I don't really care. I played, I just completed. I
enough.
told you, Andheri West finals. There's like Andheri East finals in like next 45 minutes. So I just drop in the game, I shoot, I get prizes. So I don't know, whatever KD it might be really higher than these Apex weebs for sure.
This guy, Festa
Did,
Shankar Nath.
one second,
Sir,
one
I've
sec,
seen you
one
play.
second, 1 second.
I-
Did you
I
just
love
call
your
us
gameplay,
weebs?
sir.
1 second,
good,
sir.
sir.
1 second. Did you just call us weebs?
I might have. I just speak
You
in tongues,
just-
so I might
right.
have.
You just talked about lots of skins. I have seen some of those skins.
Mhm.
Bunny rabbits,
Mhm.
furry animals,
They're
neon
cute.
disco skins. What are those if not anime? There are special anime bundles.
Mhm.
Sir, I have very good counterpoint for this. It little bit long counterpoint, but I have very good.
Go ahead,
If I
Beta.
have permission of Mr. Mast op, can I show my screen? I did homework today. I have PowerPoint presentation ready
wow.
for today.
Wow, please. Before
I like this. I
before
like
we
this
do
skin.
that, we still have to ask some hard-hitting questions to Dipendra Upadhyay ji, who is working for
Yes.
Apex. So, sir,
Sure,
please,
sir.
Dipendra Upadhyay ji, you are working for Apex. Can you tell us some good features that makes Apex stand out
So
from
one of the best
Warzone?
one of the best features I would point out that we have really classy cheaters, as you can see on the wall right here. Apex cheaters are so talented. They have hacked another game to prove their point. Is that class there in Warzone cheaters, Mr. Festa Shankarnath, Master Goteshwar? Do you have anything to say
We
to
don't-
this?
We don't need to hack any other game. There's so much content to hack in our own game. You know, the hackers don't have time to hack any other game. There's like so much content being released on a hourly basis in the game. At Apex, I think the hackers in Apex. I mean, you work for Respawn. You might know this. I think very lack of content over there. As I said, I beat the game. I became #1 in a day. So I don't think there's much content going on over there. And that's why your hackers are also getting bored and they're like, okay, I might as well hack the other game, which I don't even play.
Fair argument, I would say there. Any counter argument for that? Dipendro.
Mr.
Upadhyay,
Shankarnath. Yeah, Mr. Festa Shankarnath makes a really good point here.
Mhm.
I'm sorry, the servers.
Yeah, it's Apex
Yeah,
servers. I
it's the
think
usual issue with Apex. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Are you getting hacked, sir?
Hello? No, I'm not getting hacked. Our cheaters don't hack our own employees. Come on.
Oh, not yet, I think.
Semma joke, sir. Super joke.
Okay, you had a presentation, Goteshwar. Please,
Yes,
please
Yes,
show
I have
us.
present. One second, okay? I show. 1 second. You can see, yeah?
Has anyone
Wait,
else come
Why
prepared
is this
like
called
this?
green and dark? Oh, my bad.
Oh wait, we can't see. Give me a moment.
Sorry.
Okay, please
Good
start.
reference. Good
Please
reference.
start from. Okay, please start from. Okay, let's go. This is the presentation.
Yes. Can I start?
Yes.
Everyone
please start.
ready?
Yes.
Okay. So my very small presentation, I only want little bit minute. Okay. So title of presentation is Warzone rocks, Apex Legends sucks.
Okay.
Very clear. 10 reasons why Warzone is a better game. Okay.
Mhm.
Made by me, Goteshwar, 8/9/20 today date. Okay. Let's proceed.
Mm-hmm.
So 5 reasons why Battle Royale diff. Part
Mhm.
1. Okay. See, you get this, huh? Battle Royale diff. I'll tell you why Warzone diff right now. I'll tell you. Five reasons. One point. First part. So Warzone has more attachments than Apex Legends. Okay. And to all together numbers, 3 trigger attachments, 3 guard attachments, 32 under barrel, 133 barrel, 65 magazine, 6 pump, 3 laser, 33 optic, 78 stock, 17 rare grip, 17 muscle mod, 14 perk. Total 390 attachments in Warzone.
There's your variety.
And someone was complaining about variety. You want more variety than this? 390 attachments for all the guns.
And one
And
Bruce
14
Willis.
perks. Okay. Second point. There is no discrimination based on color for shield. All shields are same color. But you look at Apex. You have blue color, purple color, red, gold, white, everything. You have discrimination there. Okay. Warzone is not racist and no segregation like this. Third
Mhm.
point. It teaches 12-year-olds like me money management, #young money. It's like when you want to respawn, it is not free. You have to pay money for it. So you have to see how much money you have, how much you will spend, everything you have to see. Okay, so young money, #. Fourth, does not have distractions like LOBA. I have tried playing Apex Legends once. I got very distracted. My 12-year-old self full distract because there is character called you want to see what LOBA looks like? I'll show you. This is what LOBA looks like in Apex Legends. How you expect me to play Apex when you have LOBA like this? Tell. You want to see? LOBA is like that.
Nice bounce.
Next point.
Nice animation.
Fifth point. It teaches self-independence with Gulag. # love thyself. You don't have to rely on your teammate for respawn. You know why? Because if you die, you go to Gulag, and based on your skill, you come back. So it is like self-independence. Okay. Next. This
Excuse
is now
me, sir.
5 reasons
I
why
would like
Battle
to-
Royale diff part 2.
Yes.
Next 5 points.
Wait.
Very quickly.
Yes.
I would like
depend-
to, I have a reply for each and every point right here. Can you go
We
to
can
the
come to
previous
that after. Okay. 2 minutes. Oh, finish. Over.
Okay,
Just
sir.
2
okay.
minutes. Warzone cheats are cheaper and more accessible. Warzone cheat, if you want to buy now, it is $4.95. But Apex is $7, so it is more accessible for Warzone. You get it? It is cheaper for Warzone if you want to cheat.
Mhm.
Next, Warzone promotes solo lifestyle. It promotes loneliness. So all the hashtag introvert for life people know in chat and everywhere, they can play solo mode in Warzone, but they cannot do it in Apex. No solo mode. Next, Warzone supports weebs and anime fans. It has in-game anime-themed cosmetic items like Sundere, Yandere, Kundere, and more. Okay, So it is like, if you are a weeb anime also, Warzone does not hate against you. It is inclusive, all community inclusive.
Mhm.
Next, Warzone Warzone has a dog companion. Okay, you can have dog with you when you go into fight. It is hashtag doggo for life. But what does Apex have? That bloodhound, he goes with crow. Okay, what does crow eat? It eats garbage. Garbage is what Apex is. Last point is, along with cheaper cheats, I think this is my personal opinion, Warzone cheaters are classier, most definitely. And then this is a study I pulled from Harvard. Warzone players good at heart, yes or no? See, it says Warzone players, yes, they are good. Apex, no. Warzone not bad. Apex, yes, bad. Very, very, very important medical survey.
That's a
And then thank you. That
yeah.
is it. Finish. Presentation over.
I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my favorite Warzone streamer Golfo Khan, as well as our principal Lady Red Good, who gave me golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic, write the topic name, which also helped me in doing a lot of research. And I came to know about so many new things. I am really thankful to them. Secondly, I would like to thank my parents and friends who helped me a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame.
Yes.
Rage.
Very good, very good. This is a very nice project.
Can
Now-
we go
now-
back?
now
Can
get
we go
question.
back and
Yes.
Yes,
to
can
the
we go
first
back to
slide?
the slides and like just get
Yeah.
through them?
This was a very good
Yes.
presentation, Master Good.
Good presentation. I'll give you 10 on 10 for effort. Good one. Like no
Thank
one
you.
tries to
Even-
save their game this bad. It's very commendable.
Yeah, you have
Thanks.
a lot of free time. That's
Yeah, seems like it.
I am 12 years old.
I mean,
have
he
lots
said he
of time.
spends half the
Administration-
time camping in bushes, so that makes sense, right? Yeah, cool.
True,
Let's,
true.
Is this the slide you want to see or?
Yes, sir.
yes.
So let me talk
Okay.
about the first point. You say the game has variety. Good, it has variety. But you also mentioned Warzone is a casual game. People can chill. Now you have
Yes.
written here there are 390 attachments. If I want to play a game casually,
Damn.
I have to go through each and every one of that, how it works. See,
No.
I opened Warzone, I went to loadout,
Thank you so much.
I
bro.
uninstalled it in 30 minutes. If I wanted to study, I would have gotten a better job. I wouldn't be working at Respawn.
See,
That is a
you are
fair
the same
point
person
about
jobs.
who
You
are the
you
same
failed to-
person. You are the same person, the Deepeshwar, there. You are the same person who uninstalled Valorant in 30 minutes also. So I don't expect much from you, sir. I know you are a game dev. I think you should work on making your game better instead of playing it.
I try games. I work as a part-time tester here. I'm a full-time marketing manager, but anyway, that's not the point here. Next point, no discrimination based on color for shields.
Yes.
You are saying there's only one colored shield in Warzone.
Yes,
Apex has
that is
so
very
many
true.
colors. There is a variety right there in the shield itself. See,
Yeah,
there's
with
variety
this
in
pretty
Warzone.
cute
That is not
positive.
that is, no. See, no. You are mistaking. You are looking at only half glass full. You are not looking at half glass empty. You know why? Because there is. I agree. There is variety in color, good for game. But one color better than other. That is completely wrong.
Isn't that the
That
opposite of what you
discrimination
were
is
trying
wrong.
to say?
How can you be someone who will decides which color is better?
Yes.
Master-
How you are saying gold better than
Purple.
blue? How you are saying? Yeah, bro.
But
purple
then
also. How you are saying this?
why does your game have drops which are color coded? There's white, there's green, there's blue, there's yellow, and the max one is red. So basically, what we do with shields is what you do with guns.
Very good
Oh,
point.
it is different. No.
How is it
Shield
different?
everyone
sir?
wears. Shield everyone wears.
Guns, no,
Shield protects-
guns everyone uses.
But
People
shield is
can use their own
protecting you.
loadouts.
That's a fair
Your-
point.
your-
That's a
Gun is
fair
also
your-
point.
protecting you.
See,
You
most
you
people
are
know.
you are discriminating between things that kill people.
But that
See,
isn't that a
yeah.
powerful
Point-
thing?
We are
Isn't that the
we
point?
are,
Isn't that the
we
point
are
of the
giving
game?
colors to protect ourselves.
Why
You
why
are
do you
giving
want to
no,
protect
colors
in
to
a
kill
game?
others.
Why do you want
No.
to protect in a
No.
game
No,
where
no,
you
no.
want
No,
to
no,
kill?
mistaken.
You are
Again,
also using weapons to protect.
Also, no. You finish your presentation now. Let me finish my. Okay?
Go for it.
You're talking about 390 attachments. Each gun in Warzone has 55 levels. You have to grind at least 2 to 3 hours to 4 hours to get the guns to max. That too, you can't grind it in your normal matches. You have to get kills to get XP. You have to do contracts to get XP. To get those all attachments, you have to grind through every single level of that gun. And this is the same case for each gun.
See, you brought up no. See, you shot yourself in your own foot. You know why? You said you have to do contracts. Apex as main game only has main game. But in Warzone, you can
But
do
if
contracts,
I want to,
different
if I want
contracts.
to,
You can
if I want to do,
scavenger, all.
if I want to do contracts, I would be a music artist.
You mean failed contracts?
Yes, failed contracts.
Definitely.
But
Given the progression of your game, you might have to go to music industry.
if I am in the music industry.
Yeah, those
I
tattoos
can
give it
tell.
away.
I can tell.
If I
You're
want to
like that
play a
Soul-
game,
You're like that
I want
Soulja
to-
Boy, no? Soulja Boy,
I'm sorry, who?
music artist. Soulja Boy. He does fast English speaking music. He's
Is
like
it-
he
oh.
plays games on Twitch and he also does music. Soulja Boy. No, why I'm saying this is because he's also like you. He's also a failed music artist playing games on Twitch for money.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I want to play game. I get into Apex. I start match. I play game. I don't want to spend 3 hours leveling up my guns. I want to play game.
You can play game if you want.
You can play game in
See,
Warzone.
But
What
then
is
I won't have variety. I won't have to unlock gun. I have to level up.
exactly. Apex is trying to provide
You're
you
not
if
giving
you-
me access.
where you just
You're
pick
not
up
giving me
weapon and
access.
fight.
You're hiding it behind a mechanic that doesn't work. And you're talking about variety. Your gun might have. Wait, you haven't written how many guns are there in your game?
Can we also talk about
That's
how
uncountable.
hard the game is for new
Exactly.
gamers, like Warzone?
Yes, Apex
Yes.
very hard.
Very hard.
I'm talking
It
about
is-
And you are
Warzone.
saying the game is
Easier
casual.
for-
It is for
Warzone is
casual
not
players.
at all.
How is it for
Warzone is
casual?
not at all difficult. I started playing yesterday and I've already won the Andheri West final. So
Were you playing alone, sir?
no, it was a tournament with 3 people. The
Are
fourth
there
guy was
bots
the
in
judge.
Warzone, sir?
Interesting.
Are there what?
Are there bots in Warzone, Mr. Festa Shankar Nath?
There were no in the tournament.
Oh, so only you there. Okay.
Okay, if you say so.
Hey, you're talking to the winner of tournament. Have some shame.
Come on, I mean, I don't have
Does
to
your
prove anyone.
Does your
So-
company
Sir-
even host tournaments?
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Good.
Sir, what kind of tournament was it? Was it like a
It was a
VR
Warzone
tournament?
tournament.
No, but so I have noticed Warzone calls
No,
themselves Battle Royale game, but their tournaments are kill races.
As I said,
You-
I don't really
that
know
is-
about
no,
the.
you're
I don't
talking
really
about
care about the game
teaching-
mode that I play.
You are
Sir,
talking
sir.
about teaching 12-year-olds. This is what you're teaching 12-year-olds. You go into lobby and you kill other people and you get points. Why? Put all the pros against each other, no? Why
That is
putting
what
pros
the
against
Andheri
That is
you?
West
what we are
tournament
trying to
was.
You're
provide at
taking
Respawn here.
you're saying it's good for new players. New players get shit on by all these pros going into their lobbies to do their kill races. Is that fair, sir? Does that prove good behavior, sir? Is that
So
a good mentality, sir?
Are you saying
No.
that does not happen in Apex? That
Apex
pros do
doesn't
not
have
come
kill
in
races.
lobby?
Very good
Apex
point,
do
Roast.
not have kill races.
Roast,
Oh,
very good
well,
point.
I
Please
just
take
killed a lot of people in
for
Apex, so
partnership application. Carry
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, response, sir. Yes, please.
on. Good point.
okay.
So
Are you
you
gonna say, sir?
Yeah, you were saying something, Mr. Dipendra Upadhyay?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. You know, we at Respawn here are trying to provide a game where you don't have to bash your head into the wall. You just open.
Well,
the
if
game,
I don't
plan-
want to bash my head, no, I will go play Stardew Valley. Why will I play a game that
Very
allows
nice,
you to
very
shoot
nice game.
people?
Stardew, very super game. I do farming.
then
in
why
that.
are you
I
playing
do marriage
Warzone if you
also.
don't want to play games that allow you to shoot people?
No, I'm saying if I wanted to. I want to shoot people, but that's illegal. So I play Warzone and I won the tournament. Did I say Andheri West? The East is in 45 minutes.
That is
Hey,
what
one
Call
more-
of
one
Duty
more point,
Warzone.
we
no.
have to provide a shooting game that
One
is
more point.
easily
These
accessible.
Apex players think they got custom lobby from start or what? No, they also did kill race. They also did all these stupid shit only. This kill race, you go into lobby, you kill people, and then you kill random people, and then you win tournament. Like Apex players also did the same thing. I don't know
But
what they're very
that was
proud
because
about.
they didn't have a choice. Now that they do, they only do BR tournaments. Why don't you do it? You have the option of custom
No, that
lobbies.
is the shortcoming of battle royale as a genre, Mr. Musician. That is shortcoming of battle royale. Everyone is not as good as PUBG where they have custom lobbies from the starting. No. Everything has shortcomings. You have to acknowledge that. So you have to acknowledge even shortcoming of Apex also. I'm 12, but I speak like I'm 40 years old. I'm sorry.
You talked about loneliness, something. Can we please go to the other slide, sir?
Yeah, yes, 1 second. I was distracted by Loba. See, I told you, no, Loba too distracting. Yes, sir.
Yes, the
Solo
solo
lifestyle.
lifestyle you speak about. That is not a right mentality. People need to know how to work together. Apex puts you against with three people as in a squad because they want you to work as a team. They want to promote that team building experience. You
Well,
need
then
to have a
also
good team.
does that,
I will
no?
go. I will go
Warzone
study
can also
MBA.
that.
No, if I want to learn how to
the
work
most,
with people,
the most
about game
watched
players.
Warzone
Thank you.
videos on YouTube are single players going and killing four players ka lobbies.
Okay, what is wrong with that? It takes more
It,
skill for
it
that.
doesn't
No?
promote any team building. It promotes you
if
and
I wanted
selfish
to,
life and
if I
selfish
wanted to learn
motivation.
team
What is
building, I
this
would go do
SBM and
MBA.
BDSM
No?
in Warzone? What is that?
Exactly.
Yeah, what is
Yes.
this? What is SBMM?
It
What
is
is SBM?
socially buildable Minecraft miner. It's a
Yes.
collaboration with the
Team building.
Minecraft, and that's something that we are working on.
Spoken like a true COD player. Speaking about Minecraft because you are 12-year-olds.
I mean, I'm not 12. I'm 13.5. But okay.
Hey,
It,
manga Maria. Who? What? You're age shaming me now. I am better than you at whatever game you want.
No,
Fucking
sir.
saying this.
I am very confused by your KD. I think you're one of those cheaters, and I'm very sure that you have bought these $4.95 cheats. That's why you have this information.
It is there on their website. So
How do
Yes,
you
How
know?
does
I
he
have
know
no
their
website.
website?
I did
I mean-
research. I am 12 years old, very smart. 95 out of 100 for science.
Oh, is it?
Wrong kind
Yes.
of science we are into, Master Koteshwar.
But see, this is the end of my presentation. Okay, question answer session over. I'm sorry.
Yes.
You're taking too much time. Sorry.
Sure, when you don't have
Point bringing
answers.
Let's speak.
I
want-
think
there's
we
something I
gave
want
all answers.
Yes.
There's
Whatever you
one
want, we gave answers.
to speak about. There's one thing I want to speak about.
Yes, roast alone.
How long do Warzone games go for?
depends how good you
One-
are. Like
one
as I said,
match?
the Andheri West finals that I played, it was done in 10 minutes.
Sir, can you stop about Andheri West, sir?
I won it.
I don't care, sir. No one gives a shit.
Hey, I care.
I
Okay,
did.
I
I
watch
won.
Fast
I
Tank or
mean-
not. What I watch. I watch
I
his
won.
videos.
Exactly.
But
there
we
are
know
fans
we
in this panel.
Congratulations. Good job.
Thank
You're
you,
the
thank
best
you.
amongst three players, maybe in
Thank
Andheri West. But please, can we
Thank
move
you.
on from that? There are other things.
Yeah,
to
I
talk
will be
about.
moving on. There's Andheri East
Yeah, like
tournament
Andheri
in
East
45
tournament.
minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
45.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you were
Yes.
saying. You were
Roast
saying.
answer
You
my
were saying.
question.
Yes.
Roast
Yes.
alone. Yes.
Yes. How long do your games take? Warzone. I played one game, Warzone. I spent almost 15 minutes killing people, looting people, so many different people, the squads, so many different loot. But what? There was one guy hiding in a bush somewhere for 30 minutes, kill me in one shot, nothing I have.
That
What
is
was
your
that?
lack of skill.
It's there is.
So lying in bushes
How
is a
is
skill
it?
now?
Sir, I
You
have
should-
point. Good, very good point. I
You
have.
should have
You
been
want?
able to spot him. Oh yeah, go ahead, beta. Tell him.
Spot
See, I'll tell
him.
you.
There, good question you bring.
Thank
Your game has
Thank you. Thank you.
absolutely bad visibility. Like nothing is visible in that
I
game.
think you
If
need to
you
check
turn
your
I have
around,
eyes.
UAV.
if you turn around, there is a big sun in your face that blinds you and gives you epilepsy. What is this?
Exactly.
You
Warzone
have
is darker
UAV,
than my
okay,
career
You call
as Respawn.
plane. You call plane that flies above and gives you a red color dot on map. UAV. Very good in Warzone.
Depends. Did you just say it is brighter than your career in Respawn?
Yes, sir. Something like that.
Okay.
Okay, I think you kind of strengthen our point over there, but okay.
This
See,
seems to be a
host, sir,
biased host.
No, I'm just,
Okay,
I'm just
another
asking
point.
the
Are
real
you
question.
new to the
Yeah.
debate? Are you new to the debate?
My agent told me this was gonna be a very fair and professional debate, but doesn't seem to be the case.
Yeah, the contract always says that. I think you're new. Yeah, makes sense.
This is not a music
I have
contract,
another
but
point, okay, to what this roast alone said. I have another point.
Mhm.
See, you spoke about looting. Correct? You said looting. A very good point I have is in your game, no, your Apex game. You have to open box, you have to scroll up and down, and you have to loot. Okay, in Warzone, you run and you loot. That is it. You don't open. There is no what is it called? Festa Shankar. For interface,
Yes,
something like that. No.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Yes. So you don't have that in Warzone. So for example, if you have a mouse and if your scroll wheel is broken, you can't play Apex because you can't loot.
Gone.
Correct, huh? But you can do that in Warzone, even with the broken scroll wheel
Exactly.
in mouse.
Supports broken
So you are
hardware.
trying to say.
But okay, yes, go ahead, Mr. Deependra.
So you are trying to say, is that how you play? Is that how would you play if it were in real life? You just run over weapons and they get picked up. Bullets.
Why
are,
why
Hey.
do you want real life?
Manga Madia, you want to talk about real life? Your game has no fall damage, da chutia.
Exactly.
Enga,
We
you
talked
have fall
about real
damage.
life.
You fall from
Uh,
34,000 meters in the air,
Listen,
full parachute into lava, you
what
come
is
up,
it?
you're talking about realism now, huh?
this 12-year-old abusing is
Yes,
not very
no, this is
that's
appropriate.
very disrespectful.
no, this is. But it's fine.
Can we call his uncle or someone and tell him that this is abusing on public television?
Oh, please, sorry. No, uncle.
It's okay. It's okay.
Please.
Why are we trying to harass?
It's
the
okay.
kid?
Let's not harass the kid, but he will learn
Yeah,
from
exactly.
his mistakes. He will
So
learn.
it's
from
the
Oh,
kid who's
maybe
being
the-
harassed
may-
right here. Okay.
Oh, he's a COD player. No wonder he's absolutely toxic. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, that makes
Yo,
sense.
boy,
Sorry.
You are fair
Carry
on
Carry
that
on.
point. Yeah,
Also,
I'll
you
give you
got
that
carry
point.
on.
That is
Carry
true.
on.
I'll give you that point.
Quotation.
Insane.
Finish. Point over. Sorry.
What was the point
No, I
again?
think
No, I was talking about mouse scroll wheel. Point
Oh,
over.
yes.
But here's the thing, right? I think people can buy a mouse and keyboard for an entire community, maybe an entire area, for the price you have to pay for a PC to play Warzone. You can't play Warzone on normal PCs. You have to have like a high-end PC, which people maybe you have gotten gifted the PC by your parents or someone.
His uncle is very rich.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, his uncle
Yeah.
is very rich. Exactly. For people who do not have that much money to get insanely high grade PCs, they can't play Warzone.
Well, then you grind in real life just as you grind in Warzone. You know, the life and game runs parallelly for people who are
How
game players.
come you're talking about grinding? You're a 13.5-year-old kid.
I mean, I've grinded for the last 12 years.
If you say Andheri
know.
West again,
East is what I'm
Sir,
gonna say now.
you-
Is that the
you
only
want Andheri
tournament that
West by
Warzone has
grinding?
organized? for
No,
you?
today was the only tournament. Yesterday was Kandivli Central. And now
Okay,
is
so-
Andheri East is the one that I'm gonna go to. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow will be in the host's hometown, Dombivli East.
Oh, okay.
Sir, are you coming to
don't know about
Borivali
this.
anytime?
No, it's too far, yeah. It's like I need
Dahisar?
like visa and all. Dahisar is to outside of,
Out of country.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah.
it doesn't come in the Mumbai.
can we?
league.
Why is this turning into like a geographical GeoGuessr?
Let's bring this back, okay, guys. Let's talk about the games.
That's
okay.
what England said
Okay,
in the Euro finals, but okay. Yeah, moving on.
Unnecessary shots, but that's okay.
That's another thing. Apex unnecessary shots. They shoot a lot.
Yes.
I'm not sure
I
if
have
it's
many
true, but
point
Oh,
about
really?
that.
Excuse me. Let me stop you right there. Are you aware how many bullets are there in a mag of Apex weapon? And-
I'm not, because I don't play that shitty game. You know.
Sure, it's a
Very
shitty
good.
game.
Very good counterpoint, sir.
Why does anyone need 80 bullets in a single magazine to kill someone?
Because people are strong. You have Bruce Willis in the game, so you know you need a lot of bullets. Have you seen Die Hard franchise?
Wait
the
a
name
minute.
of
You're
the
saying,
movie-
Sorry,
you're
no, I
saying,
have
you're
tastes.
Die
saying,
Hard,
you're-
you know. Does
you're
that
saying if
tell
you have
anything?
Bruce Willis, you can win games.
No, but it is difficult to kill him. Is what
Oh,
I'm
so
saying.
is
Have
it
you seen the
basically to
movies?
win now?
The
So
movies, have you
basically,
seen
you're
it?
saying your game is pay to win. So you pay to get a Bruce
No,
Willis.
he never said that. No, I
I
got
never
your
said
point.
that.
I knew you were trying to say pay to win, but he didn't say that.
I
Got
never
it.
said
He-
that. You see,
no,
I
he's-
won and I got
He
paid.
tried to say Bruce win.
What did you
Bruce
win,
Willis.
sir?
I killed people in the Andheri West finals and I got paid.
Yes.
You know, for that. So it's rather win and get paid kind of a game, and not pay to win. If that makes
Understandable.
sense to you.
What is
At Respawn.
Juggernaut? Can one of your Warzone gamers please explain what Juggernaut is?
It is that temple, no, in Odisha. Juggernaut.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Puri
Is it-
Juggernaut.
Is that where you go and pray to win matches?
Yes.
Okay.
If
Yes,
you go
pray
there, you
to-
get Juggernaut Darshan means you win.
Yes.
So that's
Wow.
pray to win then.
Yes. Pray,
Quite realistic game.
pray to win.
Hmm.
See, another point I have is that TTK. They'll tell TTK. You know what it is? It is time to kill.
Mhm.
So in this Apex, I played this one game when I was young. I was 6 years old when I started shooting this gun. By the time I was 8 years old, that person died. That is how much high the time to kill is in Apex.
That is the
And
thing,
that is
right?
not because I am bad.
We are giving
I am
the
4.7
we are
KD.
giving
Okay,
the
I'm
guy
very
who's
good
being
player.
attacked a chance to survive, right? You should have time to
How
react,
much?
unlike in
Hey, you'll
Warzone.
give him 2 years for surviving. 2 years.
I mean,
Eh?
there are some slow players like you, so we need to give them time, right? In Warzone, people just melt with the Uzi. They
It's,
just
it's survival
Yes.
of the fittest over there. So if you're
Weren't
not
you
fast,
talking about realism? Realism
But
yenga?
isn't that
exactly.
unfair
Mr.
now?
Goteshwar, I think that might be before the game launched that you were playing, because I don't think this game was there 6 years ago.
he got the alpha copy. I
Yes.
remember him
I'm
telling
pretty
me.
sure we
This
didn't release
check.
the
Ask this
alpha.
Faridabad respawn entity. He only sent to me. My uncle.
I am pretty
maybe
sure I
pulled
did
some
not.
strings.
I would never leak the copy to a
I mean,
underage.
you did not leak it. You did send him. I saw the mail.
Now it is leaked.
Oh,
That you sent.
how did
Yeah.
you see the mail if I sent it to him? Let's
It was
say
shown in
if
the
I'm,
Andheri
I'm
West
telling
tournament.
you this. This is some hacker that you've invited to this debate, Mr. Host.
I
You are
don't know. I
trying-
don't know what you're talking
I mean,
about.
this was
not a hacker.
Bhatteshwar Prasad's recommendation. We can't really do much. He's politician.
And how do you
which is
trust that
money.
bald man?
I mean, he
Uh,
pays for
Hey!
the studio. I think.
I don't think you should.
Master
if-
Master Guteshwar, is your father or any relative in Canada?
Don't talk about my uncle like that.
Miss Master Guteshwar, is anyone related to you in Canada?
Hmm. Yes.
Why do I see orange outside my office?
Good luck,
That's
sir.
that's what happens.
I think we've lost
luck.
Deependra Upadhyay.
Yep, he's
uh,
gone. IRL hackers are coming to hack him with instruments.
Where do you live, Roast Alone, sir?
I do not want to leak my address details
yeah,
to a
that will
hacker.
not be
To
that
a,
will
to a
not be leaked.
potential hacker, that will not happen, sir.
That will not be leaked.
Today night, no. Check outside your window. See if you see any orange flags. All this tattoo you have, no, in your face. Everything gone by tomorrow morning.
See, this is what I'm. This is squad players abusing, talking,
No
all
one-
this,
no one abused.
threatening people.
Arey, no, they're
This is
That's
just
toxic
banter.
behavior. This is just
This
their
is just
mentality.
banter.
This is just their mentality. The first thing they resort to is violence and abusing.
This is banter.
There
my
are
dear friend.
12-year-old kids in that game that abuse people.
This is just banter. There is no abuse. There is no threat. This is just banter that might turn into reality.
See, and they're clearly in denial. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Andheri West wala, whoever this is.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
He's
for
clearly in
acknowledging
denial.
it. I mean, no, I'm not in denial. I'm actually winning.
There
so,
is some mental issue with these players. The fact that they go back to this game.
I mean, yeah, mental issue for sure. I'm getting paid in the tournaments, Andheri West and now Andheri East in 45 minutes. So, you know,
Roast Alone,
if
sir. I'll give you one more tip. Deependra Upadhyay, sir, you also. See, I told you, no, I have a lot hours, like 300, 400 hours something.
oh,
I
that's
have
nice.
gold. I have golden decal in all weapons. Level 55, all full max, all attachment unlocked, golden decal, everything unlocked in all weapons.
What is golden decal?
See, you need
is
to be
like
aware
a
about
skin.
the games, the competition that
You're
your
a game
has.
developer, no?
What does
No
it
wonder
should
you work
know
for
what-
How
Respawn.
does golden or
Yeah.
pink decal matter? It's a shooting game. You pick up guns and you shoot people.
Says the Apex. Okay.
Sir, you know you have heirlooms, no, in your game. Eh? Heirlooms. You have bald. Looks like my uncle. That Wraith. Wraith looks like uncle. You have some Takla hero, no, in your game. What is that?
That is what
Skins only,
variety
no?
is also, right? Like you can choose how you want to play the game, what ability you want. Where's that in Warzone?
And can we talk about that? Can we talk about that as sort of ability? What is this ability? Huh? What is the supernatural ability? Where it is coming from? Huh?
There's nothing
That's
supernatural ability.
That's a valid point. Yes, there's a lot of
You're doing
abilities
magic in your
Apex.
game. You're doing magic.
There's no magic. It is just all human instinct, and I think
Sir, do you know
Roast-
about something that exists in Warzone called Dead Silence? Have you heard of it?
Yeah, like right now, right?
No, because I'm speaking, but
Okay.
I mean, I'm not listening, so it's fine. Yeah, go ahead.
no.
Sorry.
So you're talking about superhuman stuff. What is Dead Silence? What is this broken mechanic that people can run and sprint across entire houses and fields without making any sound? You're talking about superhuman instincts or powers that
See,
exist in
that is-
Warzone, and
that
it
is
and
specially
play
true.
and
That's a
your
fair
players have been complaining about it to your devs for as long as the game has existed. But devs are like, who cares? We give them skins, they get excited because they're all weebs, and then they buy my skins, and we don't have to do anything to improve the game.
Okay, first of all, running silently is not a superhuman or it's not a superpower. Okay, I do it always when like the cops come at the cyber cafe. We always run. They never know who are participating in the tournament. We run silently. So
Why are
that
cops
is.
at your
Why are
cyber
cops
cafe?
at the Warzone tournament?
I mean,
Hackers,
COVID and all.
hackers.
There's no illegal organization involved. It's just COVID.
Is this a
you're not
tournament
allowed.
of? Oh, I get it. So three of y'all, the ones that play the tournament, you're all are actually hackers that just go into lobbies and hack and kill people. And is that what it
No,
is?
no. That's not what I said. I never hinted at that. It's just you interpreting something
I mean, you're talking
completely.
about cops. That means there must be something illegal going on, right?
No. There's nothing illegal. No illegal organization. No black money involved at all in these tournaments. But that's just I think it was something COVID related. You're not allowed to gather more than 3 people at a place, and there were 4.5 there. So
I
the
thought
half.
host
Yeah,
was
the
also
half
there with you.
the half guy he died last night, but it's fine. Like it got taken care of. But the point is that I was able to run silently, and no one. The cops only thought that there was one guy inside, but all they got was the half guy. But no, they never got to know that there were 4 people. So I think that is very human thing to do. Run silently and not get noticed. Is all I'm gonna say.
Well, we
I
have
think
never.
I think these guys need therapy instead of a debate.
That is
Yeah,
true.
you need therapy. Look at your face. Tattoo and all. Who put scorpion tattoo on their face?
Wow. So now you will mock his.
You might want to
interest.
speak to me again once you have all your teeth, sir.
Yeah. Who broke your kid? Teeth. Your other Warzone kids. Your teammates.
I mean, he's 12, so it's like the milk teeth are falling. Don't you have you not grown up, or have you just gotten so old that you don't remember your childhood? That's
I'm
how
sorry.
teeth
It's
grow.
been a long time since.
Working at
Yeah.
Respawn. No, yeah,
Can we
understandable.
now talk about one thing which is coming soon? We talk
What
about
is?
Warzone, we
What?
talk about Apex, but now Battlefield 2042 is coming soon. What
Oh.
happens to Warzone then? What happens to Apex then? What are the strategies that your companies have provided you to cope when it comes out? What about that?
I will go send my elder cousin dangerous, but okay. My time over. I have to go for tuition. Sorry. Bye.
Bye, Mr. Goteshwar.
I'll
It
have
was
to
nice
call
speaking to
the.
you.
I'll have to call the senior manager who represents the marketing and development team.
Of course.
I mean, this is just me listening that there's a new Battlefield.
What happens to your
Coming.
Andheri tournament now? There's no Battlefield. A Battlefield is too big for Andheri tournaments, or Kandivli or Dombivli or Bhakarwadi, whatever, Chencharwadi. It's too big. What about
No,
that?
it's not too big. It just might take over the entire Mumbai league.
This is the-
you're talking about the new Battlefield game.
Yes, dangerous, but
Wait,
It's going to ruin
Dipendra-
it.
Dipendra
What
Upadhyay will
battle
Apex
have
die?
gone?
This is the
Yes,
senior
Apex die.
manager.
Apex gone,
of,
dude.
Apex
Mark-
will
Fully
die.
All,
Apex ka.
all games will die.
Apex will die.
All games will
Everything
die.
dead, dude.
Apex will die.
no. we,
Everything is
we've got the senior official of Apex who has just joined in. Right here on the top right, on the top left, we've got Goteshwar's elder brother,
dangerous, but I am.
Dangerous Butt.
Yes.
Festa Shankar is Festa Shankar, not same, and Roast Alone is still Roast Alone. And I think
This-
they have not taken this news well. Yeah.
How will I feed my kids if Apex dies?
Same. What will happen to the Andheri Tournament League?
Oh, everything's gone, dude.
will end everything for us.
How will I discriminate between colors?
How will the classy hacker survive?
Oh, the cheaters!
I
What
feel
will
that.
happen to them? No,
What
they
will I do
lose
with
their
this award on my wall? Should I just burn it now?
पैसा कहाँ से आएगा cheaters का?
चीट्स कौन
I
बनाएगा
can't.
एपिक्स का? Titanfall
I think I will have to stop gaming. No more battle royale.
No, but
So Battlefield
Apex-
Battlefield really kills the battle royale concept. How do you guys cope with that?
You see how
We
we are
don't.
coping?
we don't look at us. Look at us. We don't.
Are you? Do you realize what I'm going through right now? I can't imagine. How will I eat food? How will I feed my family of 8?
So you guys are not looking forward to 2042 then?
No.
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 I think that is it. I can't take this anymore. Goodbye, sir.
Where will I get
Same,
my
I
daily
can't.
dose of rage? I can't. I have to
I
go
can't. I'm
therapy.
sorry. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
I have to
You're
go
right.
therapy.
Good to have all of you. Please get some therapy. Therapy is important.
Thanks for ruining
man.
Apex Battlefield.
Thank you.
Goodbye, sir. See you
Goodbye.
guys.
Bye.
Never.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah. Well. No Warzone or no Apex apparently. Battlefield is where it is at, is what the news debate has concluded with. Everyone's looking forward to Battlefield 2042. But that news debate was good. I think we heard some very, very nice points from Apex and from Warzone as to why their games have better cheaters apparently, which was nice. Anyways, this was nice. I hope you guys enjoyed your stay and your debate.